The unveiling of Kiyan Anthony's Air Jordan 6 Low PE reflects more than just vibrant footwear. It symbolizes a blend of legacy, individuality, and the new nil era. While Carmelo Anthony's exclusive Jordan collection holds iconic status, it is now his son, a Syracuse Orange commit, stepping into the spotlight. The design stands out with bold textures and colors: scaly orange leather, lavender elephant print suede, forest green overlays with a 23, and royal blue perforated toe caps, completed by a translucent heel tab, embroidered Kiyan branding, and a gray midsole accent. Though this sneaker will remain exclusive to Kiyan's collection, its creation underscores his growing influence beyond the court. With endorsements from brands like AT&T and American Eagle, the collaboration signals a bright future where Jordan brand, sports, and fashion converge, carrying Anthony's family legacy into the next generation.